Welcome to math class. This is Mr. Fritsky and
Ms. Blomquist.
And today we're learning how to classify triangles. So Ms. Blomquist is going to start us off with what an equilateral triangle is.
Okay, so an equilateral triangle has all of the angles are the same, all three angles are the same, and all three sides have the same length.
So as you look at this, we're looking for what triangle meets those requirements.
So we're looking at this one right here, and all three of the angles have the same measurement, they're the same, and all three sides are the same length.
Awesome. So we're going to go ahead and drag that equilateral name right over to our equilateral triangle. So the next triangle we're going to try to work with is called a scalene triangle. What's a scalene triangle, Ms. Blomquist?
All three sides have different lengths and all of the angles are different.
So when we look at all these triangles, that one jumps out to me too.
Yeah.
It's got a really big angle and then some skinnier angles, but they don't look to be the same.
So none of the angles are the same, and the sides are also different lengths.
So let's make 2 for this one to show that it's different. So we'll
Good
put 2
point.
marks there. We'll put 3 there to show none of these sides are equal. Then we're going to drag that word scalene right over that scalene triangle. Now we're left with 2 triangles, but only 1 word left. So our next triangle is called an isosceles triangle. What's an isosceles triangle?
Isosceles has 2 angles that are of equal length and 2 sides that are of equal length. So I'm thinking it's probably this one.
All right, let's take a look at it.
Okay,
It has 2 angles that are equal. I agree.
2 angles that are equal.
Yep, the 2 bottom angles are equal.
And
And then what 2 sides are equal?
I think it's probably this side and this side.
I agree. And then that bottom side is way too big, so that's not an equivalent side.
Do I put the marks through it?
Yeah, show that it's different. So we're going
Okay.
to drag that word isosceles right over. And we're left with 1 more triangle.
Okay.
And so that triangle is clearly a right triangle because it has a right angle, but it's also an isosceles triangle because,
I'll make the little right angle.
yeah, the little box. And it's also an isosceles triangle because the other 2 angles are equal to each other. And so because those other 2 angles are equal to each other, also those other 2 sides are equal to each other. And that third side is different. So we're going to drag that term isosceles right over.
Okay.
Awesome. So this is what your homework is on tonight. Ms. Blomquist has made it already for you. Good luck with it. If you have trouble, you can come back and check out this video.